Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Gerlach, your Foundations of Programming instructor. Now that we've completed the welcome call, it's time for you to get started. I'm here to help you along your journey, and I just want you to remember that if you're struggling, I'm out here ready to help you. Now that we've done our welcome call, make sure that you complete at least 2 assignments in the next 2 weeks. I also want you to take a look over here. You're going to see all the different resources that we have for you and a little checklist to help you progress along the way. Now, I want you to remember if you've never done programming before, learning to program is just like learning a foreign language. It's going to take practice. And don't worry, if you turn in an assignment and you don't get the score you're looking for, there's always an opportunity to fix your work and resubmit. Most importantly, I want you to know that I'm out here to help you along your programming journey. So don't be shy, call, text, or email me at any time.